Good morning, students. Today we will do a new chapter, chapter number 7, that is circles. Okay, this is our last chapter of semester 1. Okay, now we will see what is radius, chord and diameter in the circle. So first one is radius. The line joining the center of the circle to any point on the circle is called a radius of the circle. This is the definition of radius. Okay, it means this is center of the circle, right? Point P, and this is the another point, that is M. If we join this both, it form radius. Okay, you can see. The line joining the center of the circle to any point on the circle. Okay, to any point on the circle. Like this. Again, this is radius. This is radius. This is radius. Understood? Now, what is diameter? Sorry, what is chord? A line joining any two points on a circle is called a chord. A line joining any 2 points on a circle, okay, so this is chord. You can see chord MN. So line MN is a chord of this circle. Okay, it does not touch the center. Got it? Now what is diameter? A chord passing through the center of the circle is called a diameter. A chord passing through the center of the circle. This is a chord, right? If this chord pass through the center like this, then this is diameter of the circle. Okay. In this diagram, chord AB passes the center P. Therefore, chord AB is also a diameter of this circle. Got it? A circle has many chords and diameter. Okay, like this. Again, this is diameter X, Y. Again, this is chord X, Y. Got it? PM is a radius, MN is a chord, and AB is a diameter. Done? Now observe this circle and tell me radius, diameter and chord of the circle. Okay, so first one is radius. You can see here OP is radius, OS, OT, OM, right? They are the radius of the circle, not diameter. There are two diameters over here. First one is PS, and second one is MT. Then now third one is chord. There is only one chord, that is MN. Okay, got it? Now we will see how to draw a circle. So now we will see how to draw a circle by using a compass. So this is your compass, right? We use a compass to draw a circle. One arm of a compass has a metal point, right? While the other arm has a place to fix a pencil like this. Okay? A pencil of a suitable length is fixed to the compass. Got it? So first step of drawing a circle is fixed the pencil to the compass like this. Now take a convenient distance between the pencil point and the metal point. Okay, take a point on a piece of paper like this. Okay, then hold the metal tip steady on the chosen point like this. Got it? And turn the pencil point around it on the sheet of a paper like this. Okay, the shape created by the pencil point will be a circle. Okay, so this is your circle. Got it? And the point at which the metal tip of the compass is held is the center of the circle. Okay, so here C is the center of the circle. Got it? So now we will do problem set number 28. Question number 1. Question number 1 is draw circles with the radius given below. Radius given below. Okay. So first one is 2 centimeter. We have to use this centimeter. First we have to draw the line. It means first we have to draw the radius. Then we have to create a circle, okay, of 2 centimeter. So let's start. So first question is 2 centimeter. So you have to take scale. Okay. Now measure 2 centimeter by using scale like this. Here it is 2, right? Done. The metal point on the starting point of the line like this. Done. Now draw a circle of 2 centimeter. Done. Got it? Now you can name this center by using any letter. I am taking O and P. This is your radius, okay? Radius O, P. Got it? Right here 2 centimeter. So we are done with question number 1 now. 4 centimeter. Okay, again take a scale first. Draw a line of 4 centimeter. So here it is 4. I am drawing a line. Done. This is of 4 centimeter. Got it? Now take a compass. Keep the metal point on the starting point, means in our center. Now take a distance of 4 centimeter like this. Now move around the compass. Done. Understood? So we are done with question number 1 and 2. Question number 3 is your homework. Okay.